Hello, the gorgeous ladies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so. You all are fine, good, and enjoying good conditions of your health. So today I am back again with another amazing collection. In this video, you will be find out most amazing, most beautiful collection of summer wears, top shirt designs, blouse designs, amazing colors, amazing styles, amazing designs, different and amazing colors combinations, and you will be find out crochet made top shirt design ideas in this video. Lace work styles, patchwork style design ideas, all over crochet style designs, short top designs, tunic top design ideas, straight cut design ideas of top shirts and blouses. You will be find out peplum styles, wrap styles, belted styles, straight cut styles, patchwork style design ideas. Try these top shirt designs with jeans, with skirts, for your summer wears, college going, university going girls also carry these dresses, these top shirt designs for daily basis. Sleeveless designs, full sleeve designs, half sleeve designs. So if you love to wear crochet style dresses, if you love to wear crochet made top designs, shirt designs, blouse styles, so this video is going to be absolutely very helpful for you. So must watch this video till the end. More than 60 plus design ideas today I have collected for you in this video so that you may get new designs and new ideas. So must watch video till the end. Don't skip any idea, don't skip any designs. Very beautiful designs of top shirts are coming up next in this video. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles, so dear ladies, please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of all of my videos. So after getting my notifications, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I try my best to make videos on daily basis. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel, for your positive feedback on my videos. So keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so you will be find out mother of the bride dresses, skater style dresses, party wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls, floral print style, long frock style, maxi style designs, gown style dresses, top designs, blouse designs, shoes collections, bags collections, crochet made dresses. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so. Those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you can get new ideas and new designs from those videos. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. So as you can see, different and amazing styles, amazing designs of top shirts and blouses with crochet made, crochet lace styles. I love all these designs and I hope so that you will love these too. So thank you so much dear ladies for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, Take good care of yourselves. Goodbye and keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel.